and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I am bringing Topshop autumn haul and I am super excited and very chuffed with myself with all the pieces that I have ordered, tried, and yeah, I'm just really excited to share this with you because I think Topshop have really nailed it for this season. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so first up is this gorgeous coat, which I think was the first coat ever this season. I just went, I need that coat. That coat is absolutely beautiful. And it's this, like, I want to say kind of like a shacket, long line shacket duffel style. And it's this gorgeous black faux leather reversible coat. And it's got this gorgeous, like, creamy shearling wool, like inner layer and outer layer. And it's got all these gorgeous wool line details, like, going along the coat with the pockets, the cuffs. I think it looks super cute. So I'm going to leave an IGTV here. And what I fell in love with it as well is that it is reversible, which I think is incredible. So you have a bit of both. So I think with wearing the coat like this, it's like really insulated, and then when you wear it the other way around, it's a little bit more cooler because you've got the leather on the inside. But I just love this coat. I think it looks super cool. I think it's so chic, very Parisian, but then again, it's like you can turn it inside out and you can make it a bit more like country-esque, like very chilled vibes. So yeah, really excited. I think it's super cute, and yeah, I wanted to share this with you. So today I have layered it up with a turtleneck and some spotty tights and some long chunky boots. You can dress this up in lots of different ways, with dressing it up, dressing it down, with some hoodies. I just think it's such a cool staple coat to have in your wardrobe. It's a black coat, which is like a very big staple in my autumn winter wardrobe, if I do say so myself, but it's just a little bit different and just a little bit more like Parisian, very chic, and I absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely stunning. So I'm usually a size 8 and my height is 5'4", so I got this in a size 10, I believe, and it was £79.99. And I just wanted that little bit more of an oversized fit so you can fit those jumpers and layers on underneath. Another piece I ordered, which was intentionally for a shacket kind of vibe, but also you could definitely wear this in the colder months as a top, is this gorgeous faux leather. It's like minky grey. It is absolutely stunning, and it comes with a belt like so, which is a nice tie around. I got this in a size 10 as well, just to be a little bit oversized, but it is small, so I would say if you want to have a bit more of an oversized look, I would size up maybe like 2 sizes. Everyone's different, of course. So yeah, so you could definitely wear this like over the top of like a jumper with a little black skirt, or a really nice knitted dress. But then again, you can also wear this as a shirt as itself, with some tights and maybe little shorts underneath, or with some black jeans, and it just looks super chic, really gorgeous. This was £49.99. I think again it's like another nice staple to have in your wardrobe, especially going into like London, or if you're going out with the girls for drinks and dinner, or on date night. It's super cool. You can really dress it up, dress it down, and if you don't really like wearing oversized, if you don't like wearing coats and think you're gonna get too hot, like when I said when you're going out with the girls or something, this is a really good piece to have because it's that leather which is going to be really insulating as well. So yeah, I really love this piece. Next up, I think is the first coat I have bought this autumn winter, and it is again from Topshop, and it's this gorgeous grey purpley coat, and it's very long line, and I just love how beautiful it is. I came across a style like this last year on, I think it was called the Frankie shop, and I just love the details of it, the really sweet small collar, and then you've got this kind of like trench coat, double-breasted fit, and then again the details of the buckles on the side, and it's got a lovely waist around it as well. Usually I just wear it open because it is quite oversized and long. I just leave it open because on me it just literally looks like a sleeping bag, which I don't mind, but it's absolutely stunning. I got it in a size 8, so to stay true to size. I can fit jumpers under this as well, so it's a little bit oversized in the normal size. And then this was £79.99 as well. I just love the colour of it. I think it's just so beautiful, very chic, and very, I keep saying Parisian, but Parisian, like very beautiful. So how I've styled this is quite a casual way. So I've styled it with the white Topshop dress and my chunky boots. I'm wearing them like there is no tomorrow. Absolutely love this. I always keep the label in for the details. I always forget to take the tags out, but I feel like that's just me being sufficient, because when I get asked where it's from, I can send the code, which is very handy. So yeah, so that is a lovely coat. I think those three coats all together are quite staple coats to have in your wardrobe. Very versatile. You've got a long coat, a short coat, a light coat. So yeah, I think really cute, and yeah, really happy with this. So going into the jumper dress, and I feel like I have quite a lot of followers from wearing this dress from Topshop. I literally have worn it to death and I don't even care. This is the Topshop dress, and it's got this gorgeous collar on the top, which I think is phenomenal. I absolutely love this jumper dress. I haven't got the tag on it. I actually took the tag off, but I believe it's like £30. I got it in my normal size, which is an 8. Oh, hang on a minute. I got it in a UK small, which is a Euro size 36 to 38. So this is a size 6 to 8, and I think it's super comfortable, good size, and it's just super soft as well. Like I said, I got it in the black. I think they're just such good versatile pieces in your wardrobe. I have just layered it with my Storettes shirt, but I have seen a very similar shirt from Topshop, so I'll leave that down below as well. And I just think they're really classic staple pieces to have in your wardrobe. I do have some styling videos and pictures on my YouTube if you want to come and check me out, and I show how to style these pieces in different ways, just to give you an idea of how you can wear it and get more use out of it. So yeah, I'll leave my Instagram down below if you don't follow me already. So yeah, so I got the black version as well. Finally, it's back in stock, and I just think it's very chic, and I just love it with the shirt. I think that looks super cute. So I've been wearing them on their own with tights and also with some jeans. I think that just looks, they're that good length as well, that you can wear them without a trouser, but again, they're a good length to wear them with a trouser as well. So yeah, I would really recommend them. So when I was on the hunt for the black one, it was out of stock when I've done like a couple of orders. These are a couple of orders, and my bank is not happy with me. But I came across this jumper dress with a turtleneck, and this is a UK small as well, and this was £39.99, but I just love that turtleneck. I think turtlenecks are so chic and so ideal for this time of year when it's super cold outside, but you don't want loads of layers. I think this is a good piece to have in your wardrobe. And again, I've styled this with the black coat, and I just think that looks really lovely with some tights and some boots. So this is a little bit longer, and I probably actually would go down a size smaller. I think they do have an extra small. It is quite long on me. As I said, I'm 5'4", so not the tallest. But yeah, no, really love it. And again, the quality is incredible and just a staple piece to have in your wardrobe. I know I've got a very quite monochrome haul, but I just think they're just such staple pieces, and you're going to see so much wear out of them. They're super comfortable. They go with everything. So it's not like you've got one crazy coloured shirt and it's just like it goes with a specific pair of jeans and that's it. You are going to get so much wear out of them, and I get so many compliments when I wear these. So I would really recommend purchasing one or two of these, because I promise you, you're going to get a lot of wear out of them. Okay, so I wanted to look at their blouses, and I came across this. I'm really into greens at the moment. I think this is absolutely beautiful. So yeah, like I said, I'm really into my prints. I'm really into my collars, and came across this blouse, and I think it's super beautiful. I just love it. I just love the colour. I love the gingham print on it. I love the big collars. I think it's so chic. So when I first ordered this, I thought it'd be really lovely for like a dinner day, going out for a meal. I think it's like quite fancy but super comfortable as well. I have a similar one to this I got from Zara last year, and it's just all black, and I literally wear it to death. So I thought I would trial out some different blouses. So I got this in a size 10 because I am a bit bigger on my chest, but you could still go down size. Also as well, I got it a larger size because it is quite boxy, and I'm not really a massive fan with boxy things on me, but I just love this collar. I just think this colour is so beautiful, very chic. It's a bit playful as well with the frilly details, but again, it's very like mature with the colour. So it's kind of like playful with the details, but the colour just kind of brings it a bit down to a bit more elegancy. Yeah, I've got nothing else to say about that. It's absolutely beautiful. I adore the colour, and it's a little bit see-through. I don't know if you can see that, but in a very subtle way, so really floaty. And I'd pair this with a pair of jeans and some boots or some heels and a lovely blazer. I think that'll look really chic. Okay, last but not least is a pair of jeans, and I haven't bought a pair of jeans in a very long time. Actually, no, that's a lie. Kind of been on a little hunt with finding a pair of jeans. But a pair of jeans I haven't bought from Topshop in a very long time are the classic famous Joni jeans. And I kind of kept away from these jeans for a very long time because when I was suffering really badly with my sensitive stomach, I just didn't want anything tight on me. But I saw this pair and I was like, I feel like I need to give them a go, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I got the Joni jeans, but they have a bit of character at the bottom. They've got a gorgeous, they're a bit more longer on the bottom and flared with a slit. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. It's because they're black. But I think they're so cool, so hopefully you can see them in this video, or I'll leave some pictures, just kind of an example in them, and I'll wear some heels as well just so you can see the elongation. But they are absolutely gorgeous. So as I said, I'm a UK 8 and I got them in a waist 26 and length 32. These are £37.99, and yeah, just a classic pair of jeans to have in your wardrobe, but really characteristic as well, and just make it a little bit more edgy, which I love. Actually really comfortable as well. They're not super tight as I remembered them being. Maybe I just ordered the wrong size, but yeah, super happy with those. So yeah guys, this was a very quick Topshop haul. I will leave everything down below as always. My Instagram is down there as well if you want to come check me out on my Instagram. And remember, I do all those like styling videos and styling photos just to kind of inspire you guys on how to wear some stuff. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really supports me. Other than that, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.